Hello, my friends, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all the classic drink of brunch, mimosas. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect for Mother's Day brunch or any brunch coming up. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my previous video, Fresh Strawberry Muffins. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your glass, your champagne, and squeeze up your oranges, sugar, because we're about to make some mimosas magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is squeeze up our oranges. I have 9 oranges and I rinsed them. We need 3 cups. So I'm going to roll it. It will give us a nice juicy orange. So now I'm going to grab my knife and we're going to cut the orange in half. Now we're going to squeeze the juice into our measuring cup. And these are large oranges. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish squeezing my oranges and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through squeezing my oranges. Gorgeous 3 cups of fresh orange juice. So now I'm going to place it in the refrigerator. I'm going to let it chill for a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to grab my champagne. I'm using the Andre Brewed California champagne. And make sure you use a good quality champagne and use the dry, not the sweet. So now I'm about to grab my pitcher and the orange juice is nice and chilled. We're ready to make our mimosas. All right, I have my pitcher. So now we're going to add in our champagne and my champagne is chilled also. This is 750 milliliters. Going to pour the whole bottle. Beautiful bubbles. Now we're going to pour in our fresh orange juice. Again, this is 3 cups. And to give the mimosa an extra orange flavor, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure orange extract. And give it a quick stir until it's well blended. And that's it, my friends. How simple and easy was that? Our mimosas is ready to serve. So I'm about to grab my glasses and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I have my glasses and I placed them in the freezer so they're good and chilled. So now we're going to pour the mimosa into our glasses. And now I'm going to garnish it with a strawberry and the orange slice. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Classic brunch mimosas. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. Crisp, refreshing, full of fresh orange goodness. This mimosa is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Mimosa-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Much love and happy Mother's Day. Cheers. Mm-mm.